Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to disable your account temporarily in Instagram. Go to the Instagram app from your apps list. Tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner. Tap on the three vertical line at the top right corner. Tap on settings from the bottom of this page. Scroll down and find the option Help Center. Tap on this. Tap on the search option and type how to delete account. Tap on the how do I delete my account. Scroll down. In here, tap and hold delete your account page. Now tap the option copy link address. Then open any browser and in the address bar paste it. Hit enter. Here you have to log into your Instagram account. This is the page where you can delete your account. If you want to disable your account temporarily, tap on the temporarily disable option. Scroll down. Select a reason from the drop-down menu why you are disabling your account. I will choose just need a break. Now re-enter your password to disable your account. Tap on temporarily disable account button. A pop-up message will open. If you tap on the yes button, then your account will be disabled temporarily. So that is how you can disable your account temporarily in Instagram. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.